Hi guys. Just a quick question from Kylo Ren about how do you do a reaction with a salt? so so salts can be acids or bases, of course, or they can be neutral. So if I was dealing with a salt that I was certain was an acidic salt, that's usually the easier one. The only example I think that there's two examples that you would probably see. One is NH4 plus, if that happened to be your cation, or if Al plus 3 or some other non-group 1 or calcium strontium barium ion. This one's pretty easy. This one you would just react with water and form H3O plus NH3. And that's a pretty easy one to do. This one's a little more complicated because Al plus 3 really is a hydrated aluminum ion. So it's going to look something like this. And I know I've done this before, but I'll just do it again. Plus H2O gives you Al H2O5 OH2 plus H3O. Okay, so that's how you do the acidic part of a salt. And then the basic side of the salt would be the anion, usually. I guess there is one more. There's one anion that can act as an acid. Remember that hydrogen sulfate ion is really the only anion that you should be aware of that can act as an acid and form H3O plus and SO4 2 minus. So, okay. So there's your acidic parts of your salts. The basic parts of your salts. So Kylie was asking, aren't bases salts? The answer is yeah. Like if you had a hydroxide, so KOH, you could just go like this. K plus OH minus, and you could just toss an H2O up on the top, and you got it. Like, that's basically it. But if you had a more complicated one, like a anion that acted as a base, so this would be like ClO2 minus. So let's say I give you the salt ClO2 minus, and I say, how does this, like show me the reaction of what's going to happen here? Well, you'd say K, group 1 ion, neutral. ClO2 minus is not one of the conjugate bases of the strong acids, so therefore it's basic. And so you have ClO2, and then you would just react it with water. And then the H plus from water would, of course, go over to the ClO2 minus and form your ClO2 minus and pick up your OH. So hopefully that answers your question. And if there's any other questions, just let me know. Okay.